My name is Hlanganane. I'm an apprentice in Masslift Africa. I'm on a diesel mechanic program. Masslift has given me an opportunity to grow. It has given me an opportunity to increase my work experience. Before I came to Masslift, I was working as an assistant teacher. First, I could not even drive a forklift. I could not even pick up a spanner and work with it. So Masslift has given me an opportunity to boost my confidence. I can now do things on my own. Well, for me, from my experience, when I first got here, I was super nervous. I made a lot of mistakes, and I've learned to know that it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. So for them coming after me, they must just know that they have to be open-minded to learning. That's how you want to make it in this field. Ask questions if you don't understand anything. That's how I survive. When making mistakes, they're always there to help you. They're always there to listen to what you need. They live by the values of the company. You just have to be open, and you just have to be honest with everything that you struggle with. They're always there. They're super supportive. So we live by the values every day. We have values of integrity. We have diversity and inclusion. We have accountability. So it's all about knowing your values, and you have how to live the values. I enjoy working on the forklifts. I enjoy taking out the engines. I enjoy a lot of things, and meeting new people every now and then. So it's fun.